we're working at limits, and this problem here is in a little different setting. Okay, so the way this reads is the limit of f of x as x approaches 1. And so our f of x has been defined as 4 minus x squared. So all I'm going to do here is rewrite this. And it's 4 minus x squared. And then you do the direct substitution, plugging 1 directly in, and you get 4 minus 1 squared, which is 3. Okay, let's look at this one down here. B, we have the limit of h of x as x approaches 3, and of course our h of x up here is defined as the square root of x plus 1. So we have the limit as x approaches 3 of the square root of x plus 1. Now you might want to write these two functions down up here because you're not going to see them on the screen after b. So then you just take the 3, plug it in. So 3 plus 1 is 4, and the square root of 4 is 2. Okay, let's look at C. Now we have a composite function. This says h of f of x. And so h of f of x, now f of x was our 4 minus x squared. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our 4 minus x squared and we're going to plug it in where the x is located in the h of x. So I guess I'll just go ahead and write it out right here. So x plus 1, so you can better see it, and that's our h of x, and then 4 minus x squared, that's our f of x. So we're going to take this whole thing here, and where there's an x in this function over here, we're going to take this x and remove it and plug in this entire function into it. This is how we deal with composite functions. So we end up with the limit as x approaches 1, right? So we're going to have the square root. So this 4 minus x squared is going to go right in here. And then our plus 1. But what we want to do here is simplify this down. So we end up with the limit as x approaches 1 of the square root. So we have 4 plus 1 is 5. Minus x squared. Alright, and then we do the direct substitution, plugging 1 directly in. And so we get 5 minus 1, which is 4. And we end up with our answer as 2. So composite functions, they're not too difficult to work with. And this was just in a different setting than what we've been seeing, where our functions have already been rewritten already in here. So I just wanted you to see this in a different setting.